Welcome to the Curious Current, where we explore the wonder and beauty of the natural world. Planet Earth is full of surprises. One of the most magical is the phenomenon of bioluminescence. This is the ability of living creatures to produce their own light. Imagine a forest floor lit by fireflies, or a deep sea world illuminated by strange, glowing creatures. Bioluminescence is found in a wide range of organisms, from tiny bacteria to massive jellyfish. Each species uses this incredible ability in different ways. Some use it to attract mates, others use it to lure unsuspecting prey, and some use it to defend themselves against predators. The most common color of bioluminescence is blue-green. This is because these colors travel furthest in water. But some creatures can produce other colors, like yellow, red, and even purple. The study of bioluminescence helps us understand the complex relationships between living things. It also has the potential to lead to new discoveries in medicine and technology. How do these creatures create their own light? The answer lies in a fascinating chemical reaction. It involves two key ingredients, luciferin and luciferase. Luciferin is a molecule that stores energy. When it reacts with oxygen, it releases that energy as light. This is where luciferase comes in. Luciferase is an enzyme. Enzymes are like biological catalysts. They speed up chemical reactions. In bioluminescence, luciferase acts on luciferin. It helps it to react with oxygen and release light. The type of luciferin and luciferase varies between species. This explains the different colors of light produced by different organisms. Bioluminescence is more than just a pretty light show. It's a vital tool for survival in the darkness of the deep sea. Many creatures use it to attract prey. The anglerfish, for example, has a lure that dangles in front of its mouth. This lure contains bioluminescent bacteria. The light attracts small fish, which the anglerfish then devours. Other creatures use bioluminescence for communication. Fireflies use flashes of light to attract mates. Each species has its own unique flash pattern. Some creatures use bioluminescence for defense. When threatened, some squid and jellyfish can release a cloud of bioluminescent ink. This startles predators and allows the creature to escape. Bioluminescence is also used for camouflage. Some deep-sea creatures have light-producing organs on their undersides to blend in with the faint sunlight from above. Denizens of the deep, anglerfish, squid, and lanternfish. The deep sea is home to some of the most bizarre and fascinating creatures on Earth. Many of them use bioluminescence to survive in this dark and hostile environment. The anglerfish is a classic example. This fish has a long, thin appendage protruding from its head. At the end of this appendage is a fleshy lure that contains bioluminescent bacteria. The anglerfish uses its glowing lure to attract prey. Small fish, drawn to the light, swim in for a closer look, but they quickly become the anglerfish's next meal. Another fascinating deep-sea creature is the firefly squid. This small squid is found in the waters off the coast of Japan. They use this light to attract mates and to confuse predators. During mating season, thousands of firefly squid gather in Toyama Bay, Japan. Lanternfish are another group of deep-sea dwellers that use bioluminescence. Scientists believe lanternfish use their light to communicate with each other. Section 5. Sparkling seas. The magic of plankton. Have you ever seen the ocean sparkle at night? This magical phenomenon is caused by bioluminescent plankton. These tiny organisms produce light when disturbed. The result is a breathtaking display of sparkling light that dances across the waves. Bioluminescent plankton are found in oceans all over the world. They are most common in warm waters. The most famous type of bioluminescent plankton are dinoflagellates. These single-celled organisms are responsible for the spectacular light shows seen in some parts of the world. When millions of dinoflagellates are present in the water, they can create a phenomenon known as a milky sea. The bioluminescence of plankton plays an important role in the marine ecosystem. The light can attract predators, which then feed on the plankton. Section 6. Bioluminescence. Illuminating scientific discoveries. Bioluminescence is not just a fascinating natural phenomenon. It also has important applications in science and medicine. Scientists are studying bioluminescence to learn more about how cells work. They're also using it to develop new tools for medical imaging and drug discovery. One promising area of research is in cancer treatment. Scientists are developing bioluminescent molecules that can target cancer cells. By tracking the light emitted by these molecules, doctors can monitor the effectiveness of cancer treatments. Bioluminescence is also being used to study infectious diseases. Scientists can engineer bacteria to produce light when they come into contact with specific pathogens. This allows them to track the spread of infection and to test the effectiveness of new antibiotics. In agriculture, scientists are exploring the use of bioluminescence to monitor plant health. The future of bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is a fascinating and valuable tool. It helps us understand the natural world and has the potential to revolutionize fields like medicine and agriculture. The future of bioluminescence is bright. We can expect to see even more innovative applications of this incredible phenomenon. Imagine a world where trees light our streets, powered by bioluminescence, or cities where buildings glow at night, illuminating our lives with a soft, natural light. Bioluminescence is a reminder of the wonder and beauty of the natural world. There is so much left to learn. Stay curious, stay current, and don't forget to subscribe for more marine deep dives and nature exploration.